Hello friends, today I am going to unveil some early information of upcoming Oppo smartwatch Oppo X Pro, which is expected to launch in between June 2024. Let's talk about its display. The smartwatch will have AMOLED display and its size will be 1.43 inch. The resolution of this smartwatch will be 466 into 466 pixel, and its operating system will have Android Wear OS 4, and this smartwatch chipset will be Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Generation 1, and this smartphone watch will have 32GB internal storage and 2GB RAM. This smartwatch will not have any camera. Loudspeaker will be available in this fantastic smartwatch. Okay, then there will be some sensor facility like accelerometer, gyro, barometer, compass, heart rate, SpO2. Let's talk about its charging facility. This smartwatch will have 500 mAh non-removable battery and 7.5 watt wired charging. There will be two color variant available, black and silver. So all the information that I have got about Oppo Watch X Pro I have shared in my channel. If you find this video worthwhile, then please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.